The Brett Grande Collection, with its traditional style, is the perfect choice for the active family. This collection features Revolution Performance fabric for easy cleaning and long wear. This collection features welted reversible seat and semi-attached zippered back cushions. The classic rolled arm sitting on tapered block legs with its nailhead trim adds to the character of this transitional collection. The sofa and loveseat both come with 2 accent pillows. The Brett Grande Collection is in stock and displayed as shown, but this collection is available to custom order in the fabric of your choice. You can't get a much better transitional style than this collection, available as a sofa, loveseat, chair, and ottoman. The sofa offers comfortable seating for 3 with its 89-inch width, 38-inch depth, and 37 inches in overall height. The loveseat measures 66 inches wide with a 38-inch depth and 37 inches in height. For extra seating, add the chair at 43 inches wide by 38 inches deep with an overall height of 37 inches. The matching ottoman is 26 inches wide by 23 inches deep and 19 inches high. The Brett Grande Collection is made in America by England Furniture. Every piece of England Furniture is quality built, using only high-quality components throughout their state-of-the-art manufacturing facility in the foothills of Tennessee. It operates as an independent division of La-Z-Boy.